Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked ziti. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 box of ziti pasta, 2 24-ounce jars of marinara sauce, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2.5 teaspoons of salt. Add your water to the pot, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and bring your water to a boil. Now add your pasta and allow it to cook for 9 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 9 minutes, turn off your heat, then drain your water. In a large frying pan, add your olive oil, then using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now add the onions and ground beef. Season with your remaining 1.5 teaspoons of salt, the pepper and garlic powder, then allow your meat to brown. Now add your garlic and allow your meat to continue to brown. Now add the marinara sauce, then cover and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the Italian seasoning, basil, and red pepper flakes, mix well, then cover for an additional 5 minutes. Reserve a little bit of sauce to place on the bottom of your baking dish. Now add the rest of your sauce to your noodles and mix well. Now it's time to layer your dish. Add your sauce to the bottom of the pan, then add a layer of your noodles. Cover your pasta with a layer of mozzarella cheese, then dollop with the ricotta cheese. Now add the Parmesan cheese and another layer of pasta. Now top with your remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. If you like this recipe and want to see more soul food cooking, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos, quests.